Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. I'm Cadet Second Class Marcangelo Chigi. So, I'm the first reporter of the Group 6. So, we are going to discuss about the topic, domestic issue about domestic issues and its significance towards polygraph examination. Domestic issues, or the word domestic. So, the term domestic refers to the things that are related to one's own country or home. It can be used to describe activities, products, or situations that occur within the confines of one's own household or nation. For example, domestic chores are tasks performed within the home or household. And next is the domestic animals. No, um, are those that are commonly kept as pets or livestock. Next, domestic flights are flights that operate within a particular country. So, what is domestic violence? Domestic violence is a serious issue involving abusive behavior that occurs within intimate relationships or household. Now, an intimate relationship typically refers to a close and personal connection between two people. Between two people. Now, it refers to any form of physical, emotional, psychological, or sexual abuse inflicted by one partner or family member upon another. So, domestic violence can affect people of any gender, age, or background, and it can have a severe and long-lasting effects on the victims. So it is crucial to raise awareness about domestic violence, provide support to survivors, and work towards preventing such abuse from happening in the first place. So if you or someone you know is experiencing domestic violence, it is important to seek help from local authorities or organizations dedicated to supporting survivors from domestic violence. So, next question. Can anyone who is not a family member be involved in domestic issues or cases? Well, the answer is yes. It is possible for individuals who are not family members to be involved in domestic issues or cases. Now, domestic issues or cases are typically related to matters concerning the home, family, or intimate relationships. While family members are often the primary individuals involved in such cases, so there are circumstances where external parties may become involved. For example, in cases of domestic violence or abuse, law enforcement authorities, uh, social workers, or counselors may become involved to ensure the safety and well-being of the individuals affected. Additionally, legal professionals such as lawyers or mediators may be involved in cases related to divorce, child custody, or property disputes within domestic relationships. So these professionals provide guidance, support, and intervention to help resolve issues and ensure fair outcomes. Furthermore, friends, neighbors, or concerned individuals may become involved in domestic issues by offering support, providing witness statements, or reporting concerns to the appropriate authorities. Now, their involvement can be crucial in identifying potential problems, providing assistance, or advocating for the well-being of those involved in domestic situations. So, ultimately, the involvement of individuals who are not family members in domestic issues or cases depends on the specific circumstances and the roles they play in addressing and resolving these issues. Now, again, let's go back to domestic issues. So, domestic issues refers to the problems or conflicts that arise within the context of a family or household. So, these issues can encompass a wide range of matters relating to relationships, living agreements, living arrangements, and familial responsibilities. So some common examples of domestic issues include: number one, domestic violence or abuse. So this involves any form of physical, emotional, or sexual harm inflicted by one family member on another, such as spousal abuse, child abuse, or elder abuse. Now, second, divorce and separation. So when a married couple decides to end their marriage, so issues such as division of assets, child custody, visitation rights, and financial support may arise. So third, child custody and support. Disputes over child custody, visitation schedules, and financial support obligations can arise when parents separate or divorce. So issues like this regarding parenting decisions, parental rights, or disagreements over child rearing practices can lead to conflicts within families. Legal and financial issues may arise when unmarried couples or domestic partners separate, including matters related to shared property, finances, and child custody. So, so these are just a few examples, and domestic issues can vary widely depending on the specific circumstances and dynamics within a family or household. So resolving these issues often involves legal processes, counseling, mediation, or intervention from social services or other support organizations. Now, question is, how can a polygraph examination, or what are its significances towards domestic issues? So polygraph examinations, also known as a lie detector test, are a controversial tool used to assess truthfulness or deception. While polygraph tests are not admissible as evidence in many courtrooms, they are sometimes used in domestic issues for various purposes. So there are few ways in which polygraph examinations may be used in domestic issues. Number one, infidelity or trust issues. So in cases where one partner suspects infidelity or dishonesty, a polygraph examination may be requested to determine the truthfulness of the accused party. So the test may involve questions about specific behaviors, interactions, or commitments made within the relationship. Now, second is the child custody disputes. So in some instances, polygraph tests may be used as a tool to assess the truthfulness of allegations made during child custody disputes. For example, if one parent accuses the other of neglect or abuse, a polygraph examination may be used to assess that type of allegation. So that would be all, ma'am and everyone. So thank you for listening, and good evening once again. Thank you.